Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the world of keyless entry with a replacement key fob for the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. Now, if you've been dealing with a worn-out or malfunctioning key fob, this could be the solution you've been looking for. First off, let's talk compatibility. This key fob is specifically designed for the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord, so if you own one of these models, you're in luck. It's a direct replacement for PN OUCG8D380HA, so you can rest assured it'll fit and function just like the original. Now, what sets this key fob apart? Well, for starters, it's a complete electronic assembly, which means you're getting everything you need in one package. Plus, it's self-programmable with the provided instructions, so you can skip the trip to the dealer or locksmith for programming. However, keep in mind that you'll still need to get the key cut and programmed separately. One of the standout features of this key fob is its 17 buttons, offering enhanced functionality compared to some other options on the market. Whether you're locking and unlocking your doors, popping the trunk, or activating your panic alarm, this key fob has you covered. In terms of build quality, it feels sturdy and well-made, with a design that's built to last. And despite its comprehensive features, it's surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at just 1 ounce. Overall, if you're in need of a reliable replacement key fob for your 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord, this aftermarket option from USA Remote is definitely worth considering. It offers convenience, functionality, and durability, all at a reasonable price point. So why not upgrade your keyless entry experience today? Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.